It is milky, stretchy, puffy, and overly delicious puff recipe. You are gonna love this, okay? Come on, let's make this together. So we're starting with sieving our all-purpose flour. We're gonna be using 4 cups here for this recipe. Always remember to sieve your flour because to avoid some lumps and dirt from the flour. Sieve. So here our flour is ready. We're adding our yeast. This yeast, you can go ahead and just add it to your dry ingredients. We are preparing our dry ingredients, and here is the cinnamon. Just add to your taste. I love cinnamon in my puff because the flavor is everything, guys. Toss together. So for the dry ingredient, we are using our coconut milk. Use any milk of your choice. For this video, we are using coconut milk, okay? It is super delicious. So I added my sugar. You can go ahead and add any sweetener of your choice. And here I am adding my vanilla flavor, vanilla essence, okay? So mix together. And here you kind of you have to add everything together, both the dry and the wet ingredients, okay? One thing with this puff is that it does not require a lot of ingredients, does not require a lot of stress. You can literally make puff in less than 2 hours. Less than 2 hours, you're done, because you have to leave the flour to rise, okay? So you have to, if you need to add more water, you added some water. You can go ahead and add some milk, preferably. If you're making this puff for a lot of people, or you need to preserve it, add some salt to it so that it can last a little bit longer. So here you have to mix. You have to mix, okay? Mix it for like 3 minutes. I had to change and mix with my hand because it is much better. So if you find your pastry looking like this, it's now to cover it up, okay? Here I'm using the nylon bag. Look at what I'm using to cover it up. A plastic bag to cover it up, okay? And of course I went ahead and I added extra protection to it. Oh my god. With towel, kitchen towel, okay? Then you have to leave it in a very cool place, warm place, for 1 hour, for it to to double up inside. And look at that.
Now it's bigger.
Yeah, that is magical, right?
Yeah. Jumpy. It almost looks like slime. Yeah. Slime.
Slime, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost like oobleck.
Yeah, it does look like oobleck. Now let's fry, okay?
It's not 57.
I almost forgot to add one of my special ingredients, onions and pepper. It's gonna make it more flavorful and a little bit spicy. So I went ahead and added it and mixed everything together. Then I continued my frying. So now our puff is frying right now. Okay, make sure that your oil is hot enough, and this is a deep frying method of cooking, so you have to add more oil. I don't even know if I'm having more oil. I think the oil is fine. So allow it to continue to scoop until you are done scooping.
Is it working?
Puff is puffing. I'm still sad. This one is weird. Which one? I'm not gonna dance. Puff out. It's not on fire.
No, it's not fire. Oh.
Is that a little bit of fire? That's not a lot of puff.
What's up? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why do you even turn now? This one.
Hey!
For you, turn. Stay like this. You don't want to turn, right? Okay, let me keep you still. Can you imagine?
Oh, he's
Turn. Oh.
up.
That's nice.
Can you get the puff down? Let's eat puff. Crunchy. Yum. It's done. Yeah. Yum. Yum. Here's our puff.
Oh, look at that, man. Let's make this delicious puff puff.
Went ahead and sprinkled some powdered sugar to it. It is definitely optional. You may decide not to do that, okay? And here you have the most delicious puff puff recipe. Go ahead and enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Can I have a little bite?
So yum. So yummy.